Do you know that your body is designed to heal itself when you give it what it truly needs? Welcome back to Dr. Tony Sabastine Network. If you are new here, this is where we talk about natural healing, holistic wellness, and faith that doesn't just sit on the surface. It goes deep and strengthens your soul. So if you are tired of just treating symptoms and you are ready to actually restore health from the inside out, you are exactly where you need to be. Let's dive in. Do you know where healing really begins? Not in your medicine cabinet, but in the everyday choices you are making right now. The food you are eating, the thoughts you are feeding yourself, the peace or stress you are carrying around. It all matters, like really matters. It is either building you up or wearing you down. So every week we show up here to share natural remedies, time-tested herbal secrets, detox tips that don't feel impossible, and faith-based wisdom to keep your soul strong when things get tough. Because, let's be honest, you can't just heal your body and ignore everything else. True healing, that is spirit, mind, and body, all three dancing together. Today, let's go deeper with one of the nature's most powerful healing fruits, papaya. Papaya is rich in papain, an enzyme that breaks down toxins, cleans your gut, and improves nutrient absorption. It is one of the best natural remedies for bloating, constipation, inflammation, and weak digestion. It contains lycopene, which supports your heart, cleans your blood, and strengthens your immune system. If you struggle with skin issues, low energy, or slow metabolism, adding papaya to your morning routine can make a noticeable difference within weeks. A simple plate of ripe papaya on an empty stomach is a gentle but deep detox for your entire system. Here, we don't just give tips, we build a lifestyle, a life grounded in faith, fueled by natural healing, and aligned with your God-given purpose. If you are seeking a community that believes in wellness, inner peace, and purposeful living, you are right where you belong. Subscribe now, like and share, and drop your comment below. Stay connected as we walk this holistic healing journey together. Small habits, big healing. I am Dr. Tony Sabastine, and this is your network for natural living. Stay healthy, stay inspired, and thanks for watching.